Welcome back to the shop. It's the 30th of April, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
That's good and cold. Alrighty, let's talk about and start where we always do with who was here this weekend. Jay came over on Saturday and helped us around the yard, went and ran a rescue mission, got Mama off the side of the road. Also went to an auction, and we'll talk more about that later. On Sunday, Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean come over. They've been out of town for a while, and they came back over and hung out with us for a while. Had a great time playing with the Butterbean.
Yes, we did.
It really was. It was
playing
fun.
tag in the yard.
Yeah, had a good time, and keep away with my hat. So that's
Yes.
a big thing. Keep away with my hat. Alrighty, let's move on a little bit. The sweet tea is really, really good. Alright, let's talk about this week in the shop. Was really busy, didn't do a lot of projects, but we kept really, really busy. We did a lot of peddling around the shop after we did the video on Monday. Tuesday, I think we spent a fair amount of time over the house kind of doing some stuff, but we did a little bit of pickup over here. Not a whole lot in the project arena. But what I did do is I started working on the shelves for the trailer, the show trailer out here. And I'm building 3 sections, and then we're going to stack sections on top of each other, and it's all going to be welded. And I actually shot a picture here that I'm going to try to stick in about right now. Alrighty, hopefully that worked. But anyhow, I got one more section of that to do, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. But we did some work on that and got those shelves because we got to get those ready.
Yes, we do before we go to the next show.
Yeah, it's going to make a huge difference. We went to an auction. We had a great time at the auction, and we picked up quite a few things. One is this chair right here that I showed you when I come in. Now, this is an old shop stool. Really, really looks good. We got this really cool looking vanity. Kind of looks like Mama's old vanity that she had, and just so happens Jay bought a mirror at an auction, gosh, a couple months ago that's going to fit on this, and we're going to redo that. That's going to be neat. We'll probably take some pictures of that and maybe do a little slideshow video and show you that as it goes along. Really, really neat project. We got a box of the what do you call this?
Milk glass.
Milk glass that I like so much, and really, really neat. Kind of a little platter here.
Got a set of 14.
Yep, got a set of 14 of these, and then of course that goes right there like that. So really, really, really neat. We got some silver stuff that Mama just knocked on the floor, but that's all right. We'll get this. A couple of silver things that we got. Now these are really cool. Now I don't think this is like real silver. It's probably plated. It's certainly not sterling. But really, really neat. Some stuff that we're going to kind of set out at the next show, I think. I like that. Kind of looks like Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast right there. Got to do a little work on that. It's been, and she got some really cool looking glass objects here as well. Now, you all know we kind of like that carnival glass, and we're kind of suckers for it at the auction. But tell you what, look at this and tell me that isn't pretty right there. Wow, isn't that pretty? And then Cinderella during her blue period right there. How's that? That's pretty cool. So some pretty neat glass there. But really got some really nice buys on that.
Yes,
I think that vanity's going to come out really nice.
pop.
And didn't hardly spend really any money. Also this week we shut the kiln off. The wood finally got down to where I wanted. I shut the kiln off, pulled out the 2 pieces of poplar I had there, took them to a friend at work, gave them to him to do some work with. And then the walnut's still sitting there. I'm kind of letting it acclimate. It's just kind of chilling out. Once I get it to where I want, which will probably be later this week, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. All right. Let's talk about the projects we got completed. Now, we got a couple of things completed this week. I worked on one of those rustic trays and finished that up, and that was really about a 10-minute job. Got it done. We hung the sawmill door this weekend. Jay actually helped me hang it, and it was pretty neat. Took a little bit longer than we thought it would. We got started on it, and Mama was on her way to work Saturday morning. Car gave her a fit, so me and Jay had to run and do a rescue mission on that. So we didn't get finished with it quite as early as we wanted to. Got it done just before auction time. Went to the auction. Had a great time at the auction, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Really good time. And then we went to dinner, and me, Jay, and Mama went to dinner. And then lo and behold, Michaela showed up. So we had dinner with Bula there as well. So that was pretty eventful. Mama made these epoxy flowers. Now these are pretty cool. I'm gonna pull one out and hold it up so y'all can see it. But
I would have done a white one.
Yeah, well, I just grabbed one that was there. So, epoxy flowers, those are pretty cool. Now, we're going to use those as kind of like giveaways and gifts in our booth, right?
In the little potted plants behind you.
Plant right here, we're going to do the same thing.
I think they can
there we
drop
go.
it. Yeah, there's a little potted plant and then the little thing goes in it.
All right, and then that'll go in there. Kind of like, something like that. But anyhow, that's what Mama worked on and got those done. And those are really neat. I like those. So we did she did the epoxy flowers and the little potted plant there. Then we're going to give those away.
As gifts the next show.
Next show, all right.
For coming in our booth, seeing us.
Thanks for coming and seeing us. And talking about the next show, it's time to talk about shows and markets and shows. We're going to be in Atlanta at the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of May this year. Looking forward to that again. We're going to be inside.
Yes, we are. Thank goodness.
No more cooking in the sun. We're going to be on spot B64, right? B64. So we're looking forward to that. I don't think we have any other art shows or anything that we're planning on right now, do we?
I don't think so.
I don't think anything coming up.
Not that I know of.
All right. Let's talk a little bit about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. All right, we're going to finish the shells in the show trailer. Now, I got the bottom base already with the side supports welded onto it. The second layer on there, I'm going to start cutting the side supports coming up. That's going to put the third shelf on there. I was going to do that tonight, but I don't think we'll get around to that.
No, it'll be too late.
Yeah, it'll be too late, so I'll get started on that. That's going to probably be finished probably no later than Saturday. They're originally calling for rain on Saturday. Just check the weather. Doesn't look like it's supposed to rain. So no rain on Saturday, but going to rain on Sunday, I think.
Wouldn't you know it?
Yep. We're going to take the walnut out at some point. As soon as I get over there and it's where I think I want it to be, I'm going to keep checking it with the moisture meter. I'm going to pull it out. As soon as we get it pulled out, we're going to reload it. We're going to reload it with the stuff for Butterbean's bed. We need to get that done quickly.
Yes, we do.
Yeah,
we only got a few more months.
Yeah, only a few months. So it's going to be a quick, simple build. It's just a matter of getting it done. Now, I've got the legs already in there. The hard part's already been dried. It's just going to be a matter of actually kind of drying out the rails and the stuff that we're going to use across the back for the headboard and stuff. So really not a whole lot to do left on that. We're going to order the controller for the winch for the log rescue trailer. I lost that thing. I don't know what I did with it. The only thing I can think of is last time I went and rescued logs, I set it down somewhere and it just got away from me. I don't know where it is. I have no idea where it is.
Don't know what logs were the last ones we got. So
yeah, went to pick up logs from Daniels this weekend, and lo and behold, we couldn't find it. And I think we'd run into that problem a couple of weeks ago, and I had forgotten about it. So I'm gonna order two of them. Do it that way, right? If I do it that way, it just looks like one. I'm gonna order two. And we're going to get two of them. One's going to be in the dually and one will be in the F-250. So we'll have, so when I lose one, we'll be able at least to get one. We're going to try and get some of the log ramps started so I can start getting these logs up off the ground before the summer kicks in, even though it's the end of April. I believe it's the end of April.
Yeah.
The year is a third of the way over. Wow. Pretty neat. Anyhow, still cool out, but I want to get those logs up off the ground before it gets too warm. And then we're going to try to finish another tray. We're not going to do tray. We're going to do another table, and we're going to try to do an epoxy table. And we're going to try to get some footage of that, some video of that, of Mama doing that. We're going to try to put a video together, maybe by what, mid-May, third week in May, maybe?
Something like that, yeah.
Somewhere around that time frame. And I think that's pretty much it. Do you have anything else planned that you're going to be doing for next week?
No. Can't think of anything. You've covered everything.
All right. Well, y'all, that's just about it for this evening. I can't think of anything else that we hadn't told you. So, as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Then Sunday,